Elsa Speak is an AI-powered app focused on improving your English pronunciation and accent. It listens to your speech, highlights errors with color-coded feedback, and uses phonetic drills to help you master difficult sounds. With over 25,000 structured lessons, it's popular for TOEFL and IELTS prep, and many learners report noticeable improvement in just a few weeks. Users love how precise the app is at catching subtle pronunciation issues. The gamified lessons, progress tracking, and daily streaks make practice feel engaging, but Elsa isn't perfect. On Trustpilot, it scores just a 2 out of 5, with complaints about bugs, freezes, and poor customer support. Reddit users also warn about unexpected charges. Some were billed up to $176 after trial cancellation without clear notice. Elsa's strengths lie in its accuracy and structured learning paths. It's perfect if you're serious about accent reduction and exam prep. The downside is it focuses only on American English, and beginners may feel overwhelmed by technical phonetics. Pricing is another sticking point, especially if you forget to cancel trials. If your goal is precise pronunciation and measurable progress, Elsa Speak is one of the best tools out there. But if you prefer casual conversation practice or worry about subscription issues, apps like Lura might feel more natural and more flexible.